Go the wild, wild, wild Kratts. Activate Jaguar powers.
I've got black Jaguar powers. Hey, no fair.
That's the luck of Jaguar genetics. Approximately 1 out of 16 Jaguars are black, so you have a 5% chance of activation into a black version of a Jaguar power suit.
I want a black Jaguar suit. Oh, and this is gonna camouflage perfectly in Zach's jet. That orange is kinda gonna stand out in Zach's black interior. Well, if I have a 5% chance of getting black Jaguar powers, then all I have to do is reactivate. 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 Yeah! Woohoo! I am 100% black Jaguar. Let's prowl. Uh-oh, Zach's jet. He's gonna take off. We've got to get on that plane. To the creature rescue!
Okay, show me the kitty! Huh? This is it? Okay, it's black, I'll give you that. But is that as big as it gets? Oh, so it's a puppy then. But I can't go public with this pipsqueak. How long does it take to get to be full-sized and impressive? 2 years? Oh, I can't wait that long. I'm launching my new spy bots in 2 hours. Well, I guess I could inject it with some growth serum or something. Zachbots, get me 10 grams of sodium bichloride, a pound of magnesium sulfate, and a large box of pancake mix. I've always wanted to invent a growth serum, but I've always had too many other genius ideas to do first. Plus, I've had too many interruptions from those pesky Kratt brothers. But not this time. I will combine my ingredients into a growth acceleration formula, and then I'm gonna grow you into my impressive spokesmodel for the Zach Spybots Shadow Edition.
All right, Shadow, we've got you now.
What? How did this get here? Where's my black Jaguar? They are sneaky. I like that. Zachbots, find it! It couldn't have just flown away. It must be here somewhere.
Aviva! Hippo disc on the loose! Save it! No! Incoming! Oh, I'll get that runaway disc with Peregrine Falcon power! Activate!
Hurry!
Woo! A 380km/h Falcon dive! I got it, pal. You just be my wingman. Got it! Saving creature powers with creature powers! Oh! Ow! Oh no! Gotta catch up to that disc! Geronimo!
Okay, let's find a stinky varmint to exploit in my next invention and get out of this yucky nature fast. A giraffe elevator? Nah. Oh! A zebra newspaper! Ha-ha! Don't worry, Zachbot. You never know when genius will strike this brilliant mind of mine. Ow! Oh! Aha! See? I told you a good idea would hit me.
Uh-oh. Zach Varmatek, inventor who makes robots out of animals. He's got the creature power disc.
Now I can analyze this silly little disc, and then the secret to that creature power technology will be mine! Uh-oh. Ah, nice giant piggy thingy. Ah! Whoa!
Oh no, the disc! Yikes! Gotcha! Woo! Close one. You okay, Zach?
Yeah.
Wow! Now that right there is a territorial creature. Oh, those hippopotamus are amazing.
No, that hippopotamus, or whatever, is nuts.
He's protecting his part of the river. That's what they do. They don't like anyone on their turf, and I mean anyone. Hey, did you get the disc? Well, Zach had it, but...
Yeah, I mean, I was gonna give it to you guys, but then that hippo crazy thing attacked me.
It's in the river. Oh, no. It could be anywhere. We've got to find it.
Well, I wish I could help, but I have to, call my mother. You know how it is. Well, thanks for the rescue. You guys are great. Oh, the Kratt brothers, here? Now? Every time I come up with a new recipe for rare endangered animals, they try to mess it up. Like flies in my soup. Well, not this time.
Cool, you've got eggs. Chicks on the way. And they'll need to eat. Your creature link with the sloth is predator-prey. No more sloths, and harpy eagles have nothing to eat. Huh? Sloth broth? Eagle egg? Gourmand! Oh no, the eggs! No, chillax! Gourmand will be after him next! I better get back there before he does.
No more time for relaxing, Jimmy. We've got a crisis here. The whole forest could be in trouble. Huh? If Gourmand gets his sloth, he'll be ready to cook, and we've got to save all those creatures. We need a creature power that's fast, powerful, and able to tangle with Gourmand. And that harpy eagle is just the thing.
Aha! I knew I smelled sloth up here, and no Kratt brother in sight. Gotcha! The final ingredient. Now I cook to the secret kitchen. Woo! I knew I'd find you before that Wild Kratts crouton did.
Oh, no, you didn't. I got there before he did, with plenty of time to miniaturize. Shh. Now, he's gonna lead me to his secret kitchen without even knowing it. Hang on, buddy. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. Sorry.
Old rainforest stew, just slurp it up and chew. Rare animals, lots, ready for my pots. I'll let you taste it when it's done. It'll be delicious. I'll end up selling it round the world.
No way, Gourmand. Are you kidding? No rainforest stew for me. Listen, you poach all these creatures, and you have no idea how that's gonna affect all the other rainforest creatures. See that spider monkey? He helps grow those peas by spreading their seeds. Without them, the Inga tree would be in trouble. And the sloth, he fertilizes those same trees. And he has hundreds of insects that live on him. They depend on him. If the sloths go, they all go. Don't forget the jaguars and eagles. Huh? Oh, yeah. And don't forget that without sloths and monkeys, the awesome eagles and jaguars won't have anything to feed their babies. And that is just a small piece of what's going on in the rainforest. Creature links. Oh, yeah. You mess with all these creature links, and not only will you lose the creatures, you'll lose the rainforest as we know it.
The rainforest as I know it is a stew. A rainforest stew. Now, where's my recipe?
Nice try. Did you say? Oh, wait a second. Chris? Hey, Martin. Is he gone? Yeah, nice hiding spot, bro. I had to hide in here sloth moth style just to find Gourmand's hideout. Thanks, Chillax.
Chris, we gotta figure out how to get these guys out of here. And fast. Gourmand will be back soon.
Aviva, come in. We need your help.
The recipe! Now I'll start with my nice base of slow-cooked sloth broth, then build from there. Hey, where'd my sloth go? How far could that lazy creature have gone?
Oh no, Chillax is gone.
But he's part of our escape plan.
Yeah, we need everybody to do this together.
Look, a newly hatched sloth moth, searching for a sloth to live on. That's my ticket to Planet Sloth.
If anyone can find a sloth moth can. Oh, hey, Gourmand! Your shoelace is untied.
Huh? They're boots. There are no shoelaces.
Oh, sorry. There you are. Thanks for the lift, pal. Now let's see. Oh, yeah, that's perfect. It just might work. Oh, yes, you're right where you need to be, Chillax. Here's some tasty leaves, buddy. Right over here. That's it. Oh!
Oh!
Yes! Bullseye!
Ow! Hey! You monkey meat! Get off me!
And now's my chance. There. I hope that's right. Hey, Jaguar! Give me your best shot! Whew! It worked! Easy, pal. It's me, Martin. Thanks for the rescue. And now I'll...
Simmer down!
Hey, you ready to give up, Gourmand?
Never! Come here! I'll have my rainforest stew takeout!
Oh, no!
Need this?
Harpy Eagle! You're just in time!
Feather?
Don't mind if I do. Activate Harpy Eagle power! Let's fly! These wings are awesome! Power! Quick turning! Awesome! Hey, what was that? Chris? Hey, what are you doing?
Hanging out with sloth power.
Yes, the power of the sloth. Hanging out and hanging on.
Get ready, bro. Catch this.
Gotcha!
Bombs away.
Safe and sound.
Last one, Chris. The Jaguar. And I'm ready for him.
Hey! Yeah.
You're no jaguar.
Got him, Chris!
Put me down!
Okay.
Oh,
I was just leaving.
oh yeah! Now that's a rainforest-sized creature rescue.
He's marking his territory.
Weird how a lion pees backwards. Male dogs lift legs, male cats spray backwards. Hey, while we track him,
let's map his territory.
Yes, because this termite mound is like a signpost on the edge of his territory. And his pee is like a message to other lions that says, "Keep out. Trespassers will be attacked and maimed and in other ways have a very bad day."
Something like that. Engaging map actuator. While we track him, let's chart his territory, and we'll end up with a map of Pamuamoto Kingdom.
Looks like he's on the prowl. Let's move.
They are so cute.
Hey, you want to do something a little different today?
Sure.
This time, why don't we name all the lion cubs?
Yeah, why not? And we'll surprise Martin when he gets back.
I'll name him Lil Cubby.
And that one's El Cutissimo.
Wow, he really is the king of beasts. Wow, we've traveled so far, so fast.
Yeah, a lion on patrol can cover 64 kilometers in a single night.
In just an hour, we're already 8 kilometers away on the far reach of the pride's territory. So he's heading south.
It's a lioness calling out to you who breathes fire. Something's wrong.
What's going on?
I don't know, but whatever it is, the lionesses don't like it. Twins! Oh no.
Aviva, what's going on back there?
2 huge male lions with cool orange hair just showed up.
The lionesses are hissing like crazy.
Huh? Those lions are there to take over the pride. Where are the cubs?
The cubs ran into the grass to hide.
Don't let him find the cubs.
He who brings fire is on his way.
Oh, nothing can stop the king of beasts.
Tell him to hurry.
Whoa! Ouch. Now that's a bad hair day.
You think he has it bad? Look what happened to me. Oh.
Hang on, bro. I'll be right with you. But he who breathes fire has to get back to the pride and fast. First the mane, because it just does not look cool. And this one, this one, this one. And he can't run with that quill in his paw. Now let's get you back in action.
Any day now, dude.
Your turn. Ouch. Ooh, that's just gonna take too long. Modify plan. Hey, wait for me! We've got a river crossing coming up. Lions don't exactly love water, but nothing's gonna stop a Pamuamoto from getting home.
Yes, he's quite powerful, very determined, and a surprisingly strong swimmer. But something that might stop him would be crocodile! Swim! Whoa, this is intense. Croc versus lion.
Oh, we're in Hippo territory, and that bull hippo doesn't want us in his river. Even a lion faces dangers in Africa. The lion might be the king of beasts on land, but in the middle of the river, he's not. I think the croc and hippo have the advantage here.
We need some creature powers. Here you go, bro.
Activate creature powers!
He looks more like he who swallows water now. This poor guy is having a rough day.
Yeah, and a really bad hair day.
Let's get everybody back to the safety of the Tortuga until he who breathes fire returns to deal with those two.
It's not gonna be that easy. Those troublemaking twins are following us.
Aw, how much is he gonna have to take?
This is beyond bad hair day. How's he gonna get out of this one? Every time the lion breathes out, the snake squeezes tighter.
Soon the great lion, he who breathes fire, won't be breathing at all.
Life is tough out here, even for lions.
The only way to untangle this situation is with python power. Activate! I love snakes, but these rock pythons are tough. You two better get going. This may take a while.
All right, buddy, have you caught your breath? Catch up with us as soon as you can.
Okay, close all doors. Initiate lockdown mode. Oh, no, you don't.
Glad you're down there and not in here.
Tortuga lockdown complete. We're safe in here.
Oh no, he's heading back. Mayday, 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 mayday. Whoa! Yuck. What's with this slimy rock? Hey, you're not a rock. You're a hippo. So that means this is not slime, it's natural hippo sunscreen. Thanks, bud. I wish our skin made a natural sunscreen like yours does. Whoa! Ugh. Gotta go. Gotta keep my eye on Tusker. If he finds that hippo sub in this river, there could be trouble. And there's the trouble. Martin, Aviva, come in!
That's it. Try to get past that big beastie varmint. Oh, and we may just be too busy to help if they get in a jam.
Follow that hippo! All right, he's going up for air. Now's our chance.
Okay, hold on tight. We're going in.
It's Tusker. He's back. And he's taking on a challenger who wants to take over his part of the river. We gotta get out of here.
I think we can slip around and get the disc.
What? We can't get between
these two?
We have to try.
Ow! Those tusks are like massive swords jabbing at each other. It's like two sumo wrestlers in a sword fight. Are you guys getting out of there?
I'm working on it, dude.
Aviva, we gotta retreat!
Not until we get the disc. That's the point.
Ah! No! That's the point!
Oh!
Now, are you ready to get out of here?
Yeah, now's good. Initiating emergency exit.
Whoa! And Tusker wins, defending his territory.
And there is one good thing about getting overheated in Africa. It gives you a good reason to cool off in a mud wallow.
What are we waiting for?
Last one in is a wattled bellbird. I guess we'll have to find another mud wallow.
Are you kidding? This wallow's where it's at. Look. A rarely seen wildlife moment.
Oh, yeah. We're not going anywhere.
They both want to go into the mud to cool off.
But there's only room enough for one.
Whoever's the most powerful wins. Who do you think is more powerful, a rhino or an elephant?
That's like asking me who has a fuzzier cottontail, a bunny or a rattlesnake. Of course the elephant's more powerful.
No way! The rhino wins this face-off, horns down.
An elephant weighs more, 2 tons more.
A rhino can run with a charge of 50 kilometers per hour. An elephant can't even run, only walk fast.
Yeah, but he's got a fast walk with a lot of weight behind it. Plus, an elephant is so strong, he even has 100,000 muscles in his trunk.
I got rid of all their mud. That'll really mess them up. The big gray things will get all dried up, and Chris and Martin will have no fun. I bet I sure ruined their day. Jackpot, stop! No, not you. The plane! Stop the plane! I've got to see this. Spy cloud.
Whoa! What was that? A dust devil or...
The mud's gone.
Doesn't matter. They each found their own mud wallow. And you know, whatever it was, it really cooled me off.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, they make me so mad, I want to flip! I'm the world's greatest inventor, not a pancake! Stop it! Jackpot! Find out what they're up to.
It's good to see our pachyderm pals so happy. But I still want the elephant to show you who's the most powerful.
You mean the rhino to show you?
Hey, why don't we show each other ourselves?
Huh?
A big creature power suit challenge of all sorts of animal abilities.
To find out what the most powerful animals in Africa are. The strongest pushers, the highest jumpers, the fastest runners, the most skillful swimmers.
Oh yeah, caracal jump and hang time, baby.
Yes! Remember when we got aardvark? But cheetah powers rip.
Oh yeah, hyperspeed.
Yeah, look.
Aviva, this could get interesting.
Yeah, it really makes me appreciate how many amazing animals we've encountered.
And how many awesome creature power discs you've made.
It makes me tired just thinking about it. I'm taking the day off. No inventing today. I'm spectating. The bros are on their own.
Don't get too comfy, Aviva. I'm not a professional scientist, but I think I observed when it comes to high tech, the bros usually end up needing your help.
Let's start with a strength contest between the elephant and the rhino.
You're on!
Rhino power!
Squirrel power! Huh? Oh, wrong one. Elephant power!
Activate creature power suit! Oh yeah! Rhino powers!
Elephant powers are so awesome. I can do push-ups with my nose. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Save it, brother. It's a sumo-style showdown of strength. Whoever pushes the other guy into the mud wallow wins.
Elephant powers are the strongest.
Creature mission accomplished.
Hippos are coming ashore.
Hit the deck. Hippos first. Pardon me.
Guys, over here. A clue. Zack tracks.
Somehow, little hipster always leads us in the right direction.
Zack went this way. Let's follow the hippo path.
Yeah, I'll just, wait at the Tortuga. Yeah. Cookies, here I come.
There's no time to lose. The sooner I unlock the secret to the disc technology, the better. I see she's using a gyrotonic chip that stores transformation data. Very interesting. Now, if I can just get deeper.
Passcode required.
Passcode? Oh, here's my passcode. Open up! Oh,
Entry denied. Is that you, Zach?
what? Aviva! She thinks her security measures will stop me. Well, I recognize that breath. And that sound. Ow! Hey! Get me down from here! Could you pass me that disc? Okay, fine. Fine.
Uh-oh, I'm losing Zack's tracks. Too many hippos have passed through here.
Yeah, to get right over there. Look! They came here for breakfast.
What? I thought hippos ate fish.
Nope, they eat grass. Huge mouthfuls of it. They'll eat 40 kilograms of grass in one sitting.
But they can only come to eat it at night when it's cool out.
And they like to be back at their precious river before the hot sun rises.
Hey, you! See that disc right there? Okay, that's a good little hippopotamus. Now give it to me. No, 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 no! Come, Piggy! Heel! Heel!
Jimmy, can you give me a hand with the spotlight? I'll help with the search.
1 secundo, Cokie.
Another batch of cookies? Really? Now?
What? I told you. I always eat when I'm nervous.
Uh-oh. Jimmy, hand me a cookie. There's trouble in Hippoville.
Oh no! Lions! Whoa! Lions don't mess with a hippo very often. But when they do, the hippos know what to do. Head to the river!
You mean their safety zone?
Yeah, lions hate water. So it's another reason the river is so important to the hippos. And she'll get there no problem.
Not again!
Yes, she made it to home base.
Hipster, you found the disc. Way to go. Yes, I've still got the hippo disc.
Yes, but I've got your whole collection. Perfect timing. Back to the ship.
No! That's my life's work! If he gets back to his ship, we're in trouble, guys.
Don't worry, Aviva. We're on it.
with Hippo power. Activate. Now, I'm tough and territorial. The two T's of the Hippo. Those discs belong to the Wild Kratts, and we'll defend them Hippo style.
Now are you glad you made that trade?
Oh, yeah.
Jackpot security, bring in my jet and send in reinforcements.
Zach, you want to play keep away? Game on!
Hippo, Hippo!
Oh!
Thanks!
My bots are tougher than a team of lions. Your Hippo power won't be tough enough.
Hurry!
Come on!
Gotta eat!
They're catching up! Pour on the Hippo power, Martin!
Go, Chris, go! I'll use my Hippo tusk defense to block for you. Never mess with a Hippo defending his turf.
The discs are back! Back at home base! Hip Hippo!
Hooray!
But we've got other problems!
Ah! Oh no! That's my biggest and best screen! Well, your name's definitely not Screensaver! Okay, Screensaver it is.
Hey, that's not a kitty toy! That's my controller! Come back here, cat burglar!
Oh no! Step away from the paint! Look out! Oh, this is too easy. Your name is Martin, and your name is Chris.
That's not good.
What do you mean? These are perfect names. Martin and Chris.
The names are good, but that's not good. The twins are climbing the Tortuga. They're still trying to get in. You closed the sunroof, right?
I thought Jimmy did.
I was in the cockpit. I thought Koki did.
Phew, it was closed to begin with. Oh no! Screensaver, you did it!
The twins are in.
Grab the cubs! Hide!
Not there, Jimmy. Anyone can see you there.
Where?
Over here! I've got little Cubby and Cutissimo!
I've got Screensaver and Cat Burglar.
And I have little Chris and Martin.
All right, we should be safe down here.
Now where are we gonna hide?
Right in here. Quick, everybody into the Hippo sub.
Now that was a little too close for comfort.
Tell me about it.
Don't worry, we're perfectly safe. There is no way they can get in.
How about a truce? Okay then. Now how am I gonna catch up with them?
Oh, yeah. Activate!
Woo! When And if you gotta get somewhere fast, get there with cheetah power.
Phew! I'm so glad we're in here and they're out there. Aviva, is that your master controller?
What? No, I have it right. Oh no!
Is that the same master controller you used to open the Hippo sub?
I must have dropped it. I can't override. He's not getting off the button. Oh no!
Hey, this isn't fair. 2 against 1? There's one easy way to even the sides. I'm definitely underdressed for a lion fight. Activate! Having a bad hair day, bro? There's some technique and skill to this lion fighting that I'm not quite getting yet. My turn! Don't even say it, dude. We've got the lion power, but we need a little more of the lion practice. He who breathes fire wins. Ane Pamuamoto is king of well, protector of the pride anyway.
Here come the cubs.
Oh, I love these happy reunion endings. Whoa!
Oh no!
The basilisk's water-running feet don't work too well in the dry grasslands. I can't grow here, if I even wanted to. Whoa! Martin, quick, deactivate me. Elephants are omnivores. They'll eat nuts. Good thing basilisks are climbers. On any kind of trunk. Well, that was kind of nuts.
Loving it.
Just for one day, wouldn't you like to be that strong?